Welcome back, everybody, to Gathered Wisdoms, Real Faith, Real Life. And we're back on our episode, I think, 6 now. I am here in a tropical place, as you can see with the palm tree. I flew all the way to the Philippines so that you guys get to meet my long time friend, Fetus Palang. We have been, together in some ways. I'll get her to introduce herself kung sino siya sa buhay ko. And please welcome my guest for this episode. Go, Be.
I'm Chi Peralta. Ano nga ba?
How did we meet, Be? Yun yung ano.
Nag-meet tayo. Same subdivision. And then...
Same street.
Same street. Yung house natin is
right across from each other.
Yeah.
As in, tapat talaga.
Nauna lang akong
Couple months ago.
Yeah, couple months lang yung tanda ko. July, November.
Yeah.
So, Cancer and Scorpio.
Is
Perfect match.
Water-based.
Water signs.
And yeah, ever since childhood, friends, we've been magkalaro na tayo. Since we're neighbors and all. And then up until nag-move kami to Canada. And then I think we met Be only this is probably the third time since we left. Kasi the first time was 2018, 17. Starbucks yun.
Starbucks sa Conrad.
Yeah. Yes. And then the second time was yung 4 months ago.
Yeah. Then dito na.
My gosh, so decades after.
And
Pero
before that, meron tayong communication.
Oh, yes. Here and there, Be. Yeah. I think yung high school wasn't much, pero we just said hi, hello, ganyan. And then, you had Aki na, and then, yeah.
Hindi ko pa nga ako makalimutan.
Grabe naman yun. Yun naman yun. Mas nakalimutan ko nga sila na Joanna dahil kahit sila yung katabi ko, parang hindi natin sila masyado kasi nakakalaro. But yeah, so ikaw yung mas close ko out of everybody sa subdivision natin. Kasi very close yung natin. And I've invited you, thank you for being vulnerable first of all, Be. Kasi it's hard.
Yeah.
Especially, you're gonna be an open book in some way. So, only share yung gusto mo i-share.
Okay.
So, chill ka lang.
Okay.
Like your name. So, of course, my podcast is based on faith. So, what is that one Bible verse that you always go to when you are having a hard time?
This Bible verse, na-encounter ko to when I was in college. So, dahil sa St. Paul ako, so syempre, Catholic school.
Yes.
Then, may booth kung saan may, what do you call this, nagsisell ng mga rosaries.
Okay.
Anything godly. So, I had this parang wristband or baller.
Okay.
Baller siya. Then, it struck me kasi it's color black. Tapos, ang nakalagay is Matthew 19:26.
Okay.
Yeah. So, nakalagay doon, with God, anything is possible. So, from there on, lagi yun na lang yung kapag kunyari, pinaghihinaan ako ng loob. So, during my college days, sobrang daming unexpected
twist.
Yes, na nangyari. Challenges and everything. So, dun ako nag-hold on.
Oh, okay. Good.
Na parang, dahil sa St. Paul, there's a small chapel. So, there's a chapel na yon, you can go there anytime you want. Then, pray ka or something ganyan. So, pag may mga challenges or something na mabigat para sa akin, I go there, sit lang, and then, nag-stare lang ako dun sa picture. Doon lang. And then, wala, tahimik lang ako. But once I get out of the room, sobrang
lighter.
gaan. Yeah. Kasi doon, no one will judge you talaga.
Yes.
Dun sa chapel na yon,
Mhm.
you can cry or anything you want.
Yeah.
Tapos, may mga small letters doon na parang fortune cookie type.
Okay. Pero
So,
Bible verses.
yeah.
Oh.
Ganun
And
siya.
yun yung nakuha mo. Was that
Hindi,
verse?
parang siguro on that time lang na may mga Bible verse or something na advices. Minsan may mga college students na nagsusulat din ng advice or something.
Yeah.
Wala lang, out of lang, gano'n. Then,
Yeah.
kapag lucky pick, parang gano'n. So, parang, minsan timing, ganyan.
Yes.
Pero, ang doon is yung Bible verse talaga na, yun at yun lang yung
Yun
Bible
yung
verse ko.
struck
Oo.
sa'yo talaga.
Until now.
Okay, good.
Until now. Na parang, kahit na yung manifesting na medyo mahirap, at the same time, matagal. Pero, lang ako noon, sabi ko, sige, kaya pa, ganyan. Give me signs, ganyan, may ganyan. Give me signs or something. Kung hindi, eto. Kung oo, eto. Yung ganon. Then, fortunately, actually, nakakatuwa kasi, nangyayari siya. Kung ano yung hinihingi kong signs. Either yes or no, binibigay.
Binibigay niya. And clear siya sa'yo.
Oo. Usually through dreams. Oh, wow. Ganon. Yung parang before I sleep, parang mag-ano ako, parang sasabi ako, ito gusto ko. Parang give me sign if like this, if like that. Ganon. Then, pag super clear din ng panaginip ko. As in, parang andun ako at that moment na binibigay
na nangyayari na siya.
So, parang pagising ko, ano ba talaga yung nangyari? Parang, nandun pa talaga ako.
Yeah.
So, yun. So,
pero
parang,
Ben, let me ask you this. Kasi di ba sa Bible, there's also a part, I'm not too sure if you're familiar with it, na do not test God, do not ask for a sign kasi that means you're testing God. Kasi, or, there's another part of the Bible then na if you ask for a sign, ask for something na it's almost impossible for it to happen, for it to actually come from Him. So, ganun yung...
May ganun, yung parang, para sa akin, super imposible siyang mangyayari, pero yun yung ina-ask ko. Na parang, kunyari, here in the beach.
Yes.
Gusto kong makakita ng blue rose. Like that.
Okay.
Na parang kapag pinakitaan mo
yung
ako ng
specific na yun, be.
Pag pinakitaan mo ako ng ganon, okay, go ako sa ganito.
Which is almost impossible dito sa island.
Diba?
Yes.
So, ganon. So, ganon ako mag-ask sa kanya. Na parang, sobrang imposibleng makita ko siya randomly.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yes.
Tapos, yun nga, kung hindi ko man siya makita doon, through dreams, or minsan, nakakalimutan ko na siya, biglang, bam, nasa harap ko siya. Ganon. So, kahit before, ganon ako makipag-usap sa kanya.
Oh, that's so good.
So, kaya, ang tawag dito, magaan yung loob ko kahit na maraming pagsubok. Yeah.
So, my next question, be, going back to that Bible verse, like, you've had something sa college for you to have that Bible verse. But I want to ask yung now, kung ano yung hardships na meron ka. But before that, hold that thought, kasi I remember we had a conversation na dapat magmamadre ka. Dapat magmamadre ka. Is there a specific reason why you wanted to do that though?
Actually, wala. Parang
you just felt that it was a calling lang, ganon? Hindi naman.
I find it amusing. Kahit nung high school, sabi, kapag sasabi, magmamadre ako. Tapos sasabihin nila, kasi nga medyo, tayo.
Out of the blue, and hindi natin culture.
Tapos hanggang sa nag-college nga, ganyan, so may mga, madre, may mga sisters sa school.
Sa school, yes.
Then, natuwa ako sa kanila, ganyan. Pero hindi ko iniisip yung mga araw-araw sila nagdadasal. Tapos yung sabi ko, kakayanin ko ba yun?
Okay.
So, parang, am I ready to parang sacrifice yung life ko na meron na,
Yes. You've already built.
Oo.
Yeah.
then, ewan ko, pero, dinivert lang talaga ako na, hindi ka pwede dyan.
Would you say yun yung parang ano rin,
May iba akong
sign?
purpose.
Oo.
Parang,
ni John.
hindi ka dyan, may iba akong purpose.
Yeah.
Kahit na gusto mo siya, kahit na natutuwa ka na ano, you
Hindi
don't
siya
belong.
pasaya. Yeah, that's not
Oo.
your purpose nga talaga. Yeah,
Ganon. So,
Yeah.
ayun.
It was in a different kind of purpose when we talked about it before. Okay, well, going back to that question ulit, Be. Ano yung mga pinagdadaanan mo now that makes you go back? Or yung most recent, Be? Na napagdaanan mo to go back to that and then parang naano ka na, okay, he answered my prayer.
Mom guilt.
Oh.
Mom guilt na parang, kasi nga, I had the baby at an early age. Actually, hindi na siya
Hindi na
ganun
siya early, Be. Parang, wait lang. Parang, ano pa rin tayo? Okay.
Basta, parang, unexpected.
Yes.
Unexpected yan. So, mom guilt, nandun yung, what ifs, what if hindi ako nagkaanak, what if I pursue this or yung career na gusto ko, which is yung FA.
Yeah. That was one another. Yeah, Be.
What if, kung na-pursue ko yun, ano kaya yung, nasa yung status ko ngayon? Nakaipon na ba ako? Or may napundar na ba ako? Ganyan. So, every now and then, naglilinger siya sa akin. Which is, yun yung minsan tinatawag nilang postpartum depression.
It's probably, yeah.
Yung mom guilt na yun. So, kapag ganyan, minsan, tinitigan ko na lang yung anak ko. And then, yung nasabi ko nga sa'yo, yung na-share ko sa'yo na yung isang hinihiling ko, binigay. Yan. So, siguro, divert lang ganyan. Na, nandun pa din yung anything is possible. Na, hindi man ito yung
plano
gusto mo.
Oo.
Pero may mas maganda akong bibigay sa'yo. And which is, yun din naman yung
nakuha mo din naman.
Yeah. Ganun. So, win-win pa rin.
Yes. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And just for a little background, you have Aki. She is 6 na ba?
6 na.
Yeah.
6. Turning 7 this year.
Oh, kailan ba?
September.
Oh my G. Okay. Bare months pala tayo. Okay. Yeah. So, just a little bit of background. You had Aki 6 years ago. Almost 7 na.
Oo.
So, hindi naman early yung pregnancy mo, Be. Pero for those of, like the moms, of course, may mga tao rin naman that goes through that mom guilt, Be. And I want you to share to them na something that you've learned during that time that you had that phase, Be. Ano yung mga ginawa mo to get through it? Ano yung, what are the sources or tools that you use? Para lang, alam mo yun, yung you can stick to the pathway that you are supposed to be at.
Totoo yung it takes a village to raise a child.
Yeah.
Yung support system, sobrang laking tulong niya sa akin. Especially now, kasi dahil naipasok ko si Aki sa isang school na inclusive. And then, may nabuo kaming group of parents with regular students or regular child and sa amin, mainstreams. So, there, nag-share kami, ganyan. They ask also questions, paano mag-handle ng ganito, ganyan. So, kapag, kunyari, I need a breather, share ako sa kanila, nagbibigay. At the same time, kunyari,
They will empathize with you.
Oo. At the same time, yung turing nila sa mga anak namin na mainstreams is...
Anak na lang din nila.
Oo. Which is, pwede kong iwan, yung alam mo yung gano'n na parang,
may kampante yung loob mo, Be.
oo.
that you are leaving your child someone who could really take care of her too.
Oo.
And
Kahit-
vice versa.
yes.
Yeah.
Ako sobrang willing to help ako sa group of parents namin na talagang in need ng kunyari kahit pagkuha, yung pag-alaga lang ng bata, pag-babysit lang, kahit
Yeah.
ganon.
Yeah. Just even for a couple hours or
Oo.
pick upin mo, ganun
Oo,
ba?
ganon. Ganon kami.
Oh, that's so
So,
nice.
sobrang thankful ako doon
Yeah.
na dinala ako sa ganong circle.
I'm happy.
Oo.
You're in that circle na. I wish I could help, but I can't really relate. But I agree with you, yung it takes a village talaga.
Oo.
So
Kahit-
that's one.
Tapos, siguro yung acceptance sa kung ano yung situation.
Situation.
Na nangyari. Kasi si Aki is a special kid.
Mm-mm.
Yung natutunan ko rin sa sarili ko paano humaba lalo ang pasensya.
Yeah, I was gonna say ganun din. Yeah. Kasi,
Sobrang habang pasensya.
Yeah.
Then, natutunan ko rin sa kanya, si Aki, sobrang clingy niya, sobrang sweet niya. And then, if she, anong tawag dito, nafe-feel na I'm getting mad or frustrated or something, she'll just hug me and kiss me.
And that's the best reward, right? Would you say so?
Sobra. As in, na parang, okay na, hindi na ako galit.
Nakalimutan mo na.
Okay, hindi na ako galit. Sige
Oo.
na, hug na, ganyan,
Oo,
kiss na.
oo.
God gave me a companion.
Mm.
A special companion forever.
Mm-mm.
Kaya, sobrang, yun, thankful ako doon.
Yeah, because you will always be a mom.
Yeah.
Forever. Forever.
And
will be.
forever baby siya. Since
Yeah.
special kid siya.
Yes.
Ay.
Kaya be. Kaya. And she, like, shows naman be. Na she really is a very sweet child.
Sobra.
I've met her once in real life, but I already can tell.
Yes.
And even yung mga videos naman na pinupost mo, it shows.
Mm-mm.
And you really have been doing a good job. Kasi if we didn't have the conversation nung 4 months ago, I wouldn't have known.
Oo.
She doesn't show it, that she has the special needs.
Oo.
So, you're doing a good job eh.
Thank you.
So, don't that. Ha? Don't doubt yourself. That's the best lang sa akin, to be honest with you. You've been through a lot. Kasi you're very hands-on. You had to give up your career.
Yes.
You had to give up your career is one. Because you really needed to be hands-on with her.
Yeah.
And that's a big sacrifice, Ray. I don't know, to be honest with you, how I would be able to do that. But I'm not at that point yet. Kaya very career-oriented ako.
I am also before.
Yeah.
Sobrang mas gusto ko mag-work ng mag-work
Yeah.
until ayan na nga. So,
Aki came along.
yeah.
Well, again, that's what God's purpose for you was.
Siguro.
Diba? Yun yung,
To be a mom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which I wish I get there someday, but
You will.
like soon.
You will.
Soon.
Pray mo lang.
God gives. Yeah. So,
Pray mo
yeah.
lang.
Yes.
Kasi ako pinag-pray ko lang eh. I just want someone na maging best friend ko forever. Kasi
yun yung prayer mo talaga
Yeah.
specifically.
Yes, I want, kasi parang before ako, feeling ko, wala akong best friend.
Yes. And especially, even considering me as your childhood friend,
Yeah.
then I'm miles away.
Yeah, so.
2 different time zones.
Yes, so that's all I prayed for, na to have a best friend forever, na anything happens, she'll always be
Be
right.
there.
Yeah. And yun.
Ang galing ba?
Diba?
It's
So
not
anything is
like,
possible.
yeah, it's true.
Ibang kind of way lang yung binigay sa akin.
Sa'yo.
But this one, it stays forever.
That's true. Wala talaga, no exchange, no return.
Oo.
Eh.
Diba? So, I asked for that. Basta specific lang yung gusto ko. Then,
Si God na
siya.
bahala.
Yeah.
You surrendered it to Him
Yes.
afterwards. Going back a little bit further from 7 years ago to now, what is one advice you wish someone told you as you were going through this, or even as you're going through this phase? From like the time that you had Aki to the time that you are at now, ano yung isang advice na like, wish mo talaga na dapat nalaman ko noon pa? If I had known better this way, like, do you have something like that?
Parang, I think not. Kasi, ang dami unexpected twist eh. So, siguro, if it's planned talaga, there might be. Pero kasi, this one, ang ganda ng career. Then, there's, an unexpected blessing. And then,
Yes.
another, so, siguro, si Tom, he always assures me na kaya ko. Na parang, he always tells me na, you're strong.
And it's nice to have an encouraging person.
Yeah, you're strong. We can get through it. And kakayanin natin.
Just take it as we go. It's one step at a time.
Yeah. Kasi, actually, isa din siya sa nagpa-mindset sa akin ng live the present.
Yes.
Don't overthink the future. Ganon.
Yes, yes.
Live with the present, forget the past, and don't overthink the future.
Just
Ganon
live in
siya.
this time right here.
Yeah. Then, if you have plans in the future, ganyan, then work it sa present para makuha nyo yung future
Sa
na gusto
future.
nyo.
Very
Ganon.
good in wisdom, be. It's nice
Ganon
to
siya.
hear.
Ganun siya. Lagi siyang ganun. Parang, kaya ka nag-sacrifice kasi may bigger, parang may bigger blessing tayong makukuha in the future. Sacrifice now, pero live with it.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. And yung sacrifice na yun naman hindi naman siya totally sacrifice na sacrifice.
Yeah.
Kasi,
It's more of a surrender, be, right?
yeah. Oo, ganun. So, kakayanin. Kakayanin ng kakayanin. Basta tiwala lang. Then, teamwork. Ganun. So, kaya I can always live right with that. Na he always reminds me that.
It's good, be. It's good advice, to be honest. And I hope they can relate to that too. Because I had to go through that too. What is one thing you are most grateful for the last? Well, it's only been 4 months of the year, pero for the last year at least.
For the last year,
Yeah, what are you most thankful for or grateful for?
that I'm still alive. That I can still, make it through. Na I'm, as long as I'm breathing, as long as andyan si Aki, I want to live. Yun. So, yun yung parang super scared ako na mauna
Oo.
kaysa kay Aki. So,
Like especially earlier on her life.
yeah. Oo. So, sobrang yun ang ko na I'm always thankful that
You're
every
still-
other day I'm still breathing. Yun. So, ayun. And doon pa din ako laging nag-ano sa Bible verse ko. Yun at yun lang din.
Oh
Para
my God, everything is
possible. Yeah. So, parang every day is a blessing. Every day, there's a possibility na God will do this or do that to make your life better.
even if it's hard right at the
Yeah.
moment.
Kahit na sobrang ang dami ng problems na
Yeah. Sunod-sunod,
Yes.
patang-patang.
sabay-sabay.
Yes.
So, parang he always make it to a point na I'm here. Give all your burdens to me. I'll carry it. Basta sabay tayo. Yun. Ganun.
That's nice, right?
Kaya, actually, tuwing dati sobrang negative lagi ng isip ko. Especially nung peak
Oh.
nung postpartum depression
Yes,
ko.
yes,
As
yes.
in, closed lahat. Until siguro may moment na, yun nga yung sabi ko sa'yo na biglang may mga God's advice or messages
May mga konting hints na, okay, go
na
back to me.
nagpa-pop up na
Yeah.
talking na balik ka na sa akin.
Oo.
So, yun nga na ano ko, laging parang naging lighter na uli ako.
Because you've surrendered the burden.
Yeah. So, after nun, may triggers, pero hindi na siya sobrang tagal kung magstay sa akin.
Oo.
Ganon. Parang, dumating later, na-divert na. Ganon na siya. So, sobrang thankful ako sa ganon.
Because we're talking about this, kasi one of the things that I have a hard time, especially what I've been through, is yung part na to truly surrender. Yung lahat, ibibigay mo na lang sa kanya.
Yeah.
Kasi magkaiba yung sinukuan mo na
versus
you surrendering it talaga, diba?
So,
how did you, yung ganong point din na parang, how did you just lifted it off of you and give it to him? Paano mo nagawa?
Siguro, hindi naman siya nawala sa isip ko na, yung sabi ko sa'yo, I had a suicidal thoughts. So, dun pa lang, also yung postpartum depression. Right there and then, I could give up.
Right.
Kasi ang daming cases ng ganun. And I could be one of them. Pero, siguro, strong will, strong God's will,
Yes.
na hindi kita hahayaan. I will not let you die. I will not let you take your life. And then, iwan mo yung binigay ko sa yung gift. Ganon. So, yun.
Oh, wow, be. Yun yung...
So, ganon.
So, would you say, be, at this hardship na you've... Well, of course, obviously sa college and even this time of your life, no, sa postpartum mo, like, would you say, yun yung talagang parang test of faith na kailangan ka talagang bumalik sa kanya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi, nagkaroon na ng bata. So, parang, at first, syempre, question mo, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan?
Yeah.
Then, what if I do this, what if I do that sa bata? Yung, ganon. And then,
The overthinking mind.
Yeah. And then, so, yun nga yung kwento ko sa'yo about the name. Yeah, so, yung name niya. Then, doon, so parang, once, baby steps.
Yes.
Na, nag-i-intro uli siya sa akin, si God na, papakilala uli siya sa akin. Parang niya ako nililigawan. Ganun, courtship.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like,
So, yun. So, parang, little by little, welcome ko naman na uli siya.
I'm glad you did, eh. Yeah. Because that didn't give you the chance to believe the lies of the enemy.
Yes.
Because, I know.
Sabi sa'yo, postpartum depression is no joke.
Oh.
Especially if mahina yung
mental state mo.
Yes, also yung faith mo. If talagang mahina, malakas ang kalaban.
Yeah.
I can take my life anytime.
Yes.
At least, I can say na I fought the enemy to be with God again.
Oh,
diba?
That's the best.
Yeah.
That is the best.
Yeah.
Because I've gone to that point, diba? And it's a different case from you. And yun yung gusto ko ma-relate ng iba that are I have a couple of friends that are going through postpartum right now.
Yeah.
And research actually shows na postpartum lingers until the child is at the age of, I think, 2 years old. Be?
Sabi nila, usually until 5.
5? Okay.
Oo.
So I know,
Mga
it's
ganon.
around 2 to 5 yun yung...
Oo, mga ganon.
So, I'm glad that you have gone through it with him. And I guess yun yung isang natin is go back to strong will, your faith in God to get through it.
Yeah.
Any last advices or words, Be, for moms like yourself that are going through or have gone through some hardships in life?
Believe on your capacities. At the same time, always love yourself first. Kasi that's doon magsa-start yung faith mo rin kay God. If you love yourself, if you believe in yourself. Kasi doon lalabas yung will mo talaga to live and to help para doon sa mga anak mo or people that you love.
Yeah.
At the same time, if you need to scream,
Do so.
yeah,
Any outlet that you can.
yes.
Just as long as it's a healthier
yes.
outlet.
If you need it, do it.
Mm-hmm.
Also, kung if you need to, yung ganito, na
Get away lang.
parang pause or something na just,
Take a break.
yeah,
Take a
break.
breather.
Yes. So, it relaxes your mental health.
And that's how you can actually, I believe, that's actually how you are able to give more.
Yeah.
Is
If you
puno
give,
ka.
if you give yourself more time to, I mean, embrace yung lahat ng changes.
Acceptance.
Yeah. Changes sa life mo, changes sa body mo, or basta, yeah, if you accept that. So, mas gagaan yung way of thinking mo towards dun sa mga problems.
And that's healthier for those that you love too.
Yes. Pero yun nga, then if you want, yung may makausap ka, as in ma-vent outan mo lang.
And it's very healthy to do so.
Yung someone na you know na won't judge you.
Yes.
At the same time, yung talagang makikinig sa'yo.
Yeah.
Hanap tayo ng ganun. Look for that person
in your life. Yes.
Yeah. If you want it to be God, if you want it to be a priest and a confession, anything, or a stranger, para lang ma-release mo yung problems mo. Diba?
Thank you for your vulnerability, and I'm hoping to fly across the country again for another episode with you.
Yeah.
I hope in a little bit more. Well, it's a really good circumstance naman na that you're in, especially like your mental stability, mental intelligence, and I'm happy that you're in this state.
Yeah.
Especially Be, after all the years. I hope na magka-ulit natin siya. And I hope na at least sa Canada ka or something like that.
Or somewhere, any country.
Yes.
Any Asian country.
We'll make it happen, Be, anytime soon. So I hope you guys learned a thing or two, or even 5 things. I know I definitely did. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, just let us know. And we'll see you guys on the next episode. See ya.